So welcome everyone for day 33 of the 60 days challenge. So I'm Eddie the Bone Setter. So today I'm out here enjoying the wonderful sunset, and today I'm going to share about pumping. So what are the things that push-ups people do that may affect them, may injure them? What can you do to prevent it? So let's check it out. But before that, be sure to hit the like and subscribe and turn on the bell icon so you will not miss out on all these good things I'm about to share. So without further ado, let's check it out. Okay, so here on the floor, so I'm going to show you how we're going to do here. Okay, so as for beginners, normally the most common mistake is that they sometimes open too wide. Okay, like this, too wide. No, try to open roughly around your shoulder height. Okay, roughly around your shoulder height, and then you open up a little bit only. Okay, shoulder height, and then you just open up half a palm. Okay, then you see your shoulder, it should be placed roughly around here, the same level, and then if possible go up a little bit only. Okay, not too much here, not too much. From the side, see here, go, and then go up a little bit only. Okay, not too down, not too high. Okay, just like this. Then the next thing, the most common mistake is that some people would do very wide, and very wide, if you want to do like this grip, it's not very easily injured your wrist. My recommendation is that when you want to do wide, make sure it's like this. Okay, make sure it's like this. This one will avoid injury for the wrist lah. Okay, so back to the beginner. Okay, this is for those who are just starting. Yeah, so here, what I recommend you to do also, that most of the time when people go down, they go down and open to the side. You look at my elbow, it's so far to the side. So what you can do is that make sure it's bent close to your body. Okay? Oh, before I forget, so some people also would tend to always do this mistake where when they go down and then come up like this. Okay, don't, yeah? So what you must remember to do, you must make sure you hold in your abs. See my hips, hold in your abs, and then after that slowly go down. Okay, if you want much more perfect form, head facing front and then go down. Okay, make sure this one bend to the side. So if you open like this, you put a lot of strain on your wrist, so a lot of people may injure their wrist. Okay, so maybe next one, on the next video, I will show you on how those who are beginners, who never do before, who cannot even go down to this floor, maybe I will go a little bit more detailed, step by step, on how you can slowly practice it back to get that full form. Okay, so for those of you who are existing doing this kind of push-up, please be sure to take note these few things, or not later you injured on your wrist. Okay, so there's a few variations. One is this one. Another one I would recommend you can do like this to push up to, so that you strengthen on your wrist. So you just hold here and then you hold tight and then you go. Also can, or you can do finger push-up. This, or you want to do 3 finger push-up also can. Oh my god, my finger want to break already. But yeah, long time I never do already. So good. Okay, so I hope it helped you all guys, and be sure to comment down below on what you think about these tips. And if you want to see any future tips, please be sure to comment down below, feel free. And also, if you like this video, do give a thumbs up, and also be sure to subscribe and turn on the bell icon so you will not miss out on all these good things I'm about to share. Who knows, one day it will help you. I know it would help you. So anyways, see you guys tomorrow. Bye bye.